Going to be putting an air conditioning belt on the CRV. Just going to need a handful of tools. One is a 14mm wrench to loosen this lug. Once you correction, that is a 12mm. So the idler pulley lug is 12mm, not 14. Hopefully I don't wreck my wrist. No, there we go. So I've actually already backed this out the other day. This is when I realized the belt was missing. So with the belt on, you can't move it this way. It would have tension against the belt. So when you back out this bolt, this allows the idler to move inwards, removing tension from the belt and taking it off. But still, there's an obstacle. The belt, you see, goes around this lower engine torque mount. So we're gonna have to remove this bolt and this bolt. This will allow it to sag, and so I'm gonna put the jack under the engine, the wooden block here, just kind of give it some support. Allow it to sag just enough to put the belt around this mount, and then we can put it around the pulleys. So anyhow, you're going to need a 14mm wrench, 12mm socket. Hopefully this doesn't break because I can't find my deep impact. 11/16 for these lug nuts, so this may vary depending on your lugs. And it is abnormally high humidity today. It's only 88 right now. I'm sweating my tail off. The engine mounts are gonna actually support the majority of the weight here. I'm gonna move the camera because it's gonna. This is going. The heat will turn the camera off, so it's just baking in the sun. All right. All right, now we're going to lower the engine a little bit. Should give us enough clearance. Well, tension is off. I don't know how much clearance I just gained. Oh, that's plenty. This is a Kilo 040335. It's from O'Reilly Auto Parts. Let's get one side in first. There we go. Oh, nope, that's not broke. I was gonna say these should be fairly new. I want to say I replaced these when I replaced the engine and transmission about 2 years ago. There we go. Alright, now let's go up top.